Hello beautiful people, I hope that you are doing well. I'm excited because this is going to be day one of me installing, I'm not looking at the camera, woo! This is going to be day one of me installing my Microlocs. I am going to be taking advantage of this. We're snowed in right now, so I'm like, you know what, you don't have anywhere to go, let's go ahead and try to get this grid down. You may have noticed in the beginning clips that I showed you some pictures or some printables from Queen Elim, and I'm gonna put her channel down there. She now the perfectionist in me, my ideal is that I'm really gonna stick to a grid system, and I do want to have a good foundation. But if you're one of those mathematical scientific people, that's the channel for you. She, you know, has the whole formula, all that down, and I was gonna make it myself, but then I saw on her website that she actually has some that people can purchase. So if you don't feel that you want to take the extra time to create one yourself, again, she does have videos where she shows you how to create it, but she also has a website to the things that she already created. Just pay for the product, amen. And it is fairly cheap. So anyways, what I have, I printed out one of these. This was a sizing tool that she created, and y'all see the glare, but it has the different sizes on there. It's blurry. My goal is to focus on 5/16 of an inch. Some of them may be 3/8 of an inch, especially like towards the front or on the edges where my hair is not as dense. But 5/16 is the ideal that I'm going for. I did also, what is her channel? I cannot remember, but I'm gonna put her name down here so y'all can go to her. She also looked at Queen Elim's video and she shouted her out, but she also had a different system where she just created a little sizing thing that showed she did 5/16 and she used that to help her base her squares. So that's exactly what I did, except for this time I think I did make this a perfect square. It was I tried to measure it to make sure it was, again, 4x4. That way this can be the ideal square for that whatever. So that's what I'm focusing on right now. I'm not going to focus too much on twisting or anything, but just getting the foundation set, and you know, let's get it going. I did also, let me see, so I did this twice. So I actually traced this one. I traced this on here, and I did it how so one of them, she had the spaces, I guess, flipped under. That way if you wanted just to use the square to, I don't know if that makes sense, but the square, so let's say for example 5/16, if I wanted to just use this part right here 5/16 to determine my size of my lock, then I could use it like that, or the opposite, which is underneath the square is, you know, blank and, you know, all that. So I'm done talking. I think at this point I'm just talking a lot. I did see that somebody, I can't remember it was a Facebook group. I'm in a lot of Microlocs, Sister Locks Facebook groups, and of course, because I'm not getting this installed by a Sister Lock consultation, or I don't have a Sister Lock consultant, I cannot call these Sister Locks. So just in case y'all don't understand or know the difference between those things, these are Microlocs. I'm installing them myself. I do know some people who are in the Sister Lock community, in my local community, and those who are doing Microlocs. So whichever one you feel like fits your lifestyle, your budget, and all that, do so. But I do encourage people to research. I do feel like I've done a lot of research, but I'm also kind of one of those people that I'm like, you know what, just do it, just start it. Of course, make sure, you know, along the way you ask questions. So yeah, I did on the thing that I showed you all, I purchased this book called The Naughty Truth, and so I did go through this as well to help me kind of figure out what I wanted out of my locks. So yeah, we are working on blow dried hair. So y'all say hello to my little friend, my big friend. Anyways, I played too much. Say hello and a goodbye, so long, farewell, to blown out hair, because yeah, we are going to get this together. Okay, so I did get this mirror from Amazon. I'll also put that in, excuse me. I did get this mirror from Amazon, and I will put that link in the description box as well. But yeah, y'all, we're just gonna go ahead and hop into it. I have some binaural beats going on so I can focus. Amen. And really take the time that I need to get this part together. So on the thing, she did, like, Queen Elaine, she really got, like, you know, formulas and all of the other stuff mapped out, and my brain was just like, I'm not gonna overthink it. I am the type of person, if I do, like, yes, I'm a perfectionist, but if the parts are not how I want them to be, I will take days on a part, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna do the best that I can to at least lay the foundation, and then from there we'll do what we gotta do. But because this is something that it's gonna be a long haul, like, I gotta take this seriously. Amen. All right, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my angles right and then start parting. First things first, in the video, Queen Elaine explained, and I know it's not just her, but just in general, explain, like, the different lines or parts to measure. So I did quickly measure my head from the what's this called? The hairline to the nape, and then ear to ear, and it's 12 by 12, 144. Shout out to my people. Anyways, I did measure that, and so according to my calculations with 5/16, it should be about 460 locks. Originally I was going to go for 3/8, so it would be like 384, but I kind of feel like I would rather start off small, and then if I want to combine, I can. And again, I know that maybe a lot of things around the perimeter, I'll have a mixture, I believe, of 3/8 and 5/16. So anyways, measuring the I wish I had a shorter chair, like a shorter stool, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Oh wait, no, just bring this up a notch. This there you go. Amen. Look at you. I thought this was gonna go down a little bit longer, but it's okay. All right, so it's not too bad of a straight part that I did yesterday. Okay, too close. All right, real quick. Okay, this is what we're gonna do, y'all. This is why it's gonna take me forever. Y'all should already know this. Mariah, do the best you can. Amen. Try one more again. Whoops. Someone said to measure from the center of the line to your ear and see if it matches on both sides, so I'm about to do that. it's not gonna be perfect, y'all. We're gonna have to let that go. We're gonna have to let it go. It's just not gonna be perfect. Okay. I think, but it's not straight. This is not straight. Y'all, this is not straight. It's like a curve. I can feel it in my spirit. Y'all tell me if I'm right or wrong. Ooh, I played too much. Okay. Let me see. It's curved, ain't it? Oh, Jesus, be offense. We're gonna go to the bathroom really quick. Really quick. All right, y'all. I just wanted y'all to see how innovative I am. Shout out to the Most High. He created me this way. Okay, it's messed up right now, but I have my my mirror right here in my shower pocket, and this is across from my bathroom mirror. Forgive my bathroom, it's a little dirty, but that's because I've been doing hair these past few days. Anyways, I'm using this to check the line and all that, and I was just like, I need it to be suspended in the air. So it's in this little shower pocket. Yeah, and we're gonna get it done, but I wanted y'all to see. I don't know if y'all can see it through this mirror. Y'all look at my hair. I'm like really saying to myself, should I really like my hair? But I should. I will. Y'all, this is what it's taking just for me to get my middle part. Come on. But once I get this done, we in business. We in business. All right, so okay. I'll pay a penny for your thoughts. Yes, I will. Make sure this thing don't fall on you though, honey. Alright, y'all, so at this point I realized two things. Number one, that I'm pretty extra. And number two, that the first middle part I established, in my opinion, it's probably better than this second one. But at this point in my journey, I was like, you know what, let go of the perfection. It is what it is. And I needed to go ahead and start on my ear-to-ear part, which is what I'm starting right now. All right, y'all. I'm trying to see how I can. That light is so bright. Can I put it right here? Can I sing this song to you? Yours, mine is ours. I can do this for hours. I cannot do this for hours, but I got to. Sit and talk to you for hours. I want to give you your flowers and some champagne showers, or the shrimps and lobster towers. Woo! All right, we're gonna do the top of my ear. You give me a superpower to Cause the world will be ours. Ooh. I got some little ears, y'all. Okay, this is, I guess that's the top of my ear. Oh my gosh. All right. The other, no, hold up. Finish off the part. My hair smells so clean. Ain't nobody to pass me. I'm just so fresh and clean. So fresh and so clean, clean. I love when you stare at me. I'm just so fresh and clean. Ain't nobody to pass me. I'm just so fresh and clean. I love when you stare at me. I'm just so fresh and clean. And we are the coolest motherfuckers on the planet. The sky is falling, ain't no need to panic. Whoo, child, this is why it takes me so long, y'all. I just know it's been an hour already. Just me doing these 2 parts. This is so not cute. Ain't nobody to pass me. I'm just so fresh and clean. So fresh and so clean, clean. I love when you I'm gonna use this to measure. It's gonna be 4, ideally 4 rows in the front, and I did make I made sure to measure the why I keep forgetting this word, right? The hairline to the nape and then ear to ear, 12 by 12 again, so I was pretty spot on. And yeah, I did my part with the occipital line. I think it's, for the most part, it's pretty good. So I'm just not, the longer I sit here and try to get my parts perfect, the less time that I have to get this done. So we're gonna use this, and we're gonna start with this section right here. And I have to have this focus music on, y'all, because if I'll watch a TV show after I got the, laid out, and I start twisting. But as of right now, honey, can't afford that, because then I won't focus. Okay, so again, on the, got this idea from Taylor Dawn, that's her channel. And again, I try to make sure to measure this on both sides so that it can actually be 4x4. I don't know if that's the case now, but yeah, this says 2 inches wide, 2 inches tall. Okay, it is 4x4, baby. We have perfect square. Let's go. I will say this because y'all know I like to talk. I just said I didn't need to be distracted, but I always think about stuff like this, and being someone who works in education, this would really it would be really cool to just have more hands-on. Of course we do hands-on things with some of our students, but just across the board for students to see how they use math and science and all that in their day-to-day life, and then like we can actually meet the children where they are at, no matter what age, and listen, right? Listen to them, and to their dreams, to their goals, all that stuff. and I bet you that'll be some type of motivation again. And then, you know, yeah, we could say, hey, look, this is why you need to do this in math class or whatever. Yeah, all right, I'm done talking. I just thought I'd say that. And I did not do a perfect square on this one, but it's fine. Girl, my scalp is dry, honey. Okay, so again, I'm using this as a base. I realized I didn't finish my thought earlier when I was talking about that Facebook group. I don't remember her name. I don't remember even the group that it was in, but she had her own little measuring thing, but I don't know if she put it on a bobby pin or something or a clip, but she was able to clip it on her hair, and that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to do the super glue and all that, and that just didn't work. So yeah, for right now, we're just gonna have to do what we gotta do until I can figure that one out. So anyways, four rows, and this is not straight at all. Okay, I don't think this is gonna be 4 squares, but we'll try. Or 4 rows, sorry. And then this, so I'm putting this right here. All right, let's see. All right, y'all, I'm back. I gotta go up here. Taylor Don, so excuse me. I know with Queen Alim, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I know she had 4 in the front. I have that was my ideal, was to go for 4, but then I have these little extra pieces on the side, so it's 6. But then when I saw Taylor Don, she also had 6 in the front as well, so I was like, oh, cool. Especially because we're using the same measurement. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I typically, when I part my hair, I like to start from the back and then go up. So even though I already did the front, I think I want to start with the back to see how the crown of my head and all that's gonna look. So what she did, she was able to get 4 sections, 4 squares out of the bottom portion. So I might try that. Y'all like, this girl got 50-11 mirrors. I sure do. I sure do. So this is what I normally do. I have my little setup right here. This is what I do. So I can see the back and sit down because I'm tired of standing. So that's what I'm doing. Can y'all really see me? It is what it is, y'all. I might not even upload that part. Okay, now. So these kind of look, I mean, almost they look, okay, bet. So you all see, I don't know if y'all can actually see it, but, okay, so this part right here, she, I can't remember the exact term, but like the something triangular something. But basically, this is where my hair, like I'm gonna make this line intersect right here, and then this will be a square somewhat. And then yeah, here's my little triangle thingy. I don't know, let me just get the paper that she was talking about. I will say I got confused because this is the thing that Queen Lim created, and so with the numbers, she did a whole thing of like taking a picture of her hair and mapping it all out. Girl, I ain't doing all that, but I appreciate that she did all the work for me to understand now as I'm doing it. But so again, with the little triangle part, the triangle right there, that's gonna be right here. And then yeah, well, is this, oh, you know what, let me see if the other side lines up with it, or at least is similar, before I go on. Yeah, for the most part it does, it lines up. So yeah, this is what I'll be working on today, guys. So y'all can't even really see me, sorry, because I scooped my chair down a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, so at this moment I realized how small this section was compared to the left section was compared to the right section, and I did have to go in later to fix the ear-to-ear part as well as the middle part. Some of it I believe is because one side is a little bit thicker as far as like the hair strands. It's kind of always been a thing for me, but a lot of it was also just my parts not lining up. So I do want to apologize ahead of time, because you're going to keep seeing my arm in the camera, but I was trying the best that I could to get it out of the way so that you can see me making my parts. But yeah, so this is just the first 2 days really of me establishing my foundation, and I appreciate you all for watching. Okay, that's it, I think. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure y'all can see. Sorry, but I can't see. right, y'all. I know y'all can hear me. Oh, my battery's about to die. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna explain really quick. This side over here lined up pretty well for me to do this part, but this side I'm gonna have to go do it again because it did not line up. So that's what I'm about to do, and then I'll use those parts to help me determine these squares down here. Bet.